to educate them about fruits. Use this feed a baby. My grandmother grew up with them and say, know them things are very active. Use a knife, jam it up. Yeah, if your fruits or your weed, not being a seed, it no good. Now, if the elders and if pick them up in the 60s, 70s, come up, watch out. Peel the grapefruit. Peel off a little piece up on top. Grapefruit, this one, when last one eat that grapefruit, watch out now. Cut off the top. Use a knife. Jam it up. Yeah. Well, you see it? Be cells them there, you know. Put out the middle. See it? Get some brown sugar. Put in it. And that is it. Grapefruit and sugar. That's my grandmother. My grandmother grew up with them and say, know them things are very active though. Yeah man, grapefruit and sugar. Make the sugar go and soak in down. Yeah. Melt him. You want a spoon. See calabash? Yeah. You want a spoon. Use this feed a baby. Them thing, you need to come look for me to get them thing. Don't try it at home, you know, go taste the same. See it? Want to plant back all of them seeds. Yeah. First thing, you have to educate them about fruits. Look here, sir. So much seed come out of one fruit. Watch. There's so much seeds. Yeah, if your fruits or your weed not being a seed, it not good. So I mean, yeah. Things that we can plant. So as we can throw them anywhere out the door, I throw them seed there, them grow forward. Watch that. Grapefruit. Yeah, it don't like it full my belly, me not lie. Little bit more sugar. And you know? Yeah man, them things are powerful man. Fruits must come with a lot of seed. There's so much seed and more still in it. More seed, more grapefruit, more life, more health, more strength. Blessing.